The White House says it would welcome Senate testimony from Kavanaugh's other accuser. Her name is Deborah Ramirez. She accuses Kavanaugh of sexual misconduct during a drunken college party in the 1980s, a claim that he denies. The GOP asked for written details from Ramirez about any witnesses or evidence before they speak on the phone, saying it needs that information to determine how to proceed. Ramirez's lawyer, John Clune, says he wants to talk before handing anything over. We spoke to him a short time ago from Missoula, Montana.
John Clune, good morning. Mr. Clune, have you or your client heard from the Republicans on the Senate Judiciary Committee?
You know, we've had a number of emails with the Republicans from the Senate Judiciary Committee, but they've been refusing to speak with us by phone. We had a call set up last night and we called in for the call, and the only people who were there was the minority party.
Do they say why they don't want to talk to you on the phone?
They say they want conditions in place before they'll talk with us on the phone. They want us to send them all the information that we have for their consideration before they'll talk to us for whatever reasons.
And does your client want to testify?
You know, she would be willing to testify, but she wants to, she wants us to be able to have this conversation about what this is going to look like, what the process is going to be, and if there's going to be an FBI investigation into what happened in her case.
Well, it seems very clear that there's not going to be an FBI investigation. Is there any chance that she would be willing to testify before the vote that is now scheduled for Friday morning?
Yeah, first of all, I don't know what they've said to date. It makes it clear that they don't want an FBI investigation. But keep in mind that this is the process for the background check on any nominees for the U.S. Supreme Court.
She has admitted, John, to gaps in her memory. She has also reportedly said at one point she can't exactly be sure that it was Brett Kavanaugh who exposed himself. Does that hurt her credibility?
No, I think that helps her credibility. I mean, if somebody's going to make something up, they're not going to put gaps in their memory, right? I mean, she was very, very conscientious about only putting forth the information that she was comfortable with and acknowledging the things that were the gaps in her memory. So that, as a former prosecutor, I can tell you that only helps her credibility, because somebody's not going to falsify a report that has that kind of gap like that.
All right, John Clune, thanks so much for being with us.
Thank you.
CBS News will bring you live gavel-to-gavel coverage of the Senate Judiciary Committee hearings beginning tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central.